Hello, good evening all. Audio video clear? Welcome all of you. Welcome to this very special lecture. So this is the memory based paper analysis session. Let me just check whether the audio video everything is clear. Please make sure you have invited all your friends. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and let your friends know about this session. Let more people join for this session. This session is for all those people who attended today's exam and all those people who are attending tomorrow's or day after tomorrow's exam. ये सारा students के लिए ये lecture useful होगा. For those people who attended today's exam, you will get an idea which all questions were right, which all questions were wrong. And those who have exam tomorrow and day after tomorrow, if you see the same year's other subject का aptitude paper देखा तो definitely you will get an idea कौन सा type का questions आपका paper में भी आएगा. Many questions, not same question repeated, but the concept will be repeated. So this session is very important. Make sure all of you have liked this video and share this video to maximum people. Share it in your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, WhatsApp status, Telegram status, wherever possible. Let more people join. I am also conducting it today because I got requests from many students last day to conduct the session today itself, so that those who have exam tomorrow will be benefited by this session. So those of you are preparing for tomorrow's life science exam or day after tomorrow's chemical science exam, please attend this session and invite your friends to attend this session. ये सेशन सारा स्ट्रीम्स के लिए कॉमन है. आज फिजिकल साइंस, अर्थ साइंस और मैथमेटिकल साइंस का एग्जाम हुआ था. वो दोनों शिफ्ट का क्वेश्चंस whichever I got from students, that is what we are discussing. And now those who have exam today, if you remember any more question, comment in the live chat. We will discuss it live itself. So this is a memory based paper analysis. Students who have memorized questions, they send the question, and that is what we are discussing. So Mitsu is asking, how can I get your batch for GATE and CSIR-NET? Download our mobile application, Mitsu. Mobile application Christy's classes. There you can find the full courses. GATE के लिए भी full course है, CSIR के लिए भी full course है. New students, my name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakh CSIR-NET aspirants for General Aptitude in the last 10 years. More about me you can see here. And I am the author of the bestseller book CSIR-NET General Aptitude, A New Outlook. This is the book I have written, and this is the current bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A preparation. More about the courses and all we will discuss towards the end of the class. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the upcoming updates. There are more paper analysis session to follow, more detailed lecture on the questions after CSIR publish the question, which will happen in 1 week. उसके बाद सारा क्वेश्चन का डिटेल्ड डिस्कशन भी होगा ये चैनल पे. So subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, check the description of the video to find the links of our free resources, website, Telegram channel, WhatsApp group and mobile application. Or scan this QR code, that way also you can find it. And those of you who want the flashcards of Christy's classes, download our mobile application itself. Link is given in the description of the video. About our full courses for CSIR-NET Part A, GATE के लिए भी full course है, August 1st से start हो रहा है. Details are there in the description. Now I am not spending more time on our course info, that we will discuss towards the end of the class. Those of you want more information, towards the end of the class we will discuss more about it. Okay, so let us start today's session. Paper analysis of 25th July exam. 25th July, that is today. There were 3 subjects exams that got conducted. One is earth science, physical science and mathematical science. So this was the first question. So all of you make a try. ये rough question है, इसमें slight changes होगा, but this is the meaning of the question. That is what I understood from the students who have written this paper. I think this was in the afternoon set. Mathematical science paper में ये question आया था. The students have sent both set together. That is why we are discussing maximum questions in this. So don't worry, Ravta. Practice these questions itself. This will give you more confidence. And I'm so happy to say that Many of the concepts I explained in the expected question lecture itself. Day before yesterday एक expected questions lecture discuss किया था, उसमें से ही बहुत सारा concepts repeat हुआ है. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर का आइडिया रिपीट हुआ है, प्रॉफिट लॉस डिस्काउंट का आइडिया रिपीट हुआ है, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम और पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट का आइडिया रिपीट हुआ है. So many questions got repeated. Repeated means many concepts. Yes, Niveda, that question I already got. That question we will be discussing today. ये question try करिए, all of you. Those of you have exam tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Think this as a ultimate practice before the exam. इससे better practice question आपको नहीं मिलेगा. This is the latest question for you. Fresh question we can say. क्योंकि आज का क्वेश्चन है कल का क्वेश्चन पेपर, कल का एग्जाम के लिए. बिकॉज CSIR मेक सिमिलर क्वेश्चन फॉर ऑल स्ट्रीम्स. हाँ, कुछ सब्जेक्ट का पेपर थोड़ा इजी, कुछ क्वेश्चन सब्जेक्ट का पेपर थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट, वो सब कोइंसिडेंस है, पर्पसफुल नहीं है. मेनी पीपल से आवर सब्जेक्ट पेपर इज द टफेस्ट. एवरी सब्जेक्ट स्टूडेंट से द सेम. हमारा एप्टीट्यूड पेपर बाकी सब्जेक्ट का एप्टीट्यूड पेपर से भी डिफिकल्ट है. ये लाइफ साइंस स्टूडेंट्स भी बोला है, मैथमेटिकल साइंस, फिजिकल साइंस, केमिकल साइंस, अर्थ साइंस. बिकॉज द रीजन फॉर दैट इज इन एग्जाम हॉल वी आर सीइंग आवर क्वेश्चन पेपर, बाकी क्वेश्चन पेपर एग्जाम हॉल के बाहर देख रहा है. दैट इज व्हाई द प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड इज द मेन की दैट वी फील इट डिफिकल्ट और इजी. अभिषेक ऑलरेडी गॉट द आंसर, वेरी गुड. सो आई स्टार्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग. ये क्वेश्चन में व्हाट आई हैव टॉट यू, प्रॉफिट लॉस डिस्काउंट का अल्टरनेट लॉजिकल फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया तो बहुत ही इजी है. एंड आई टॉट यू द शॉर्टकट मेथड्स ना, 15 शॉर्टकट मेथड्स फॉर डूइंग जनरल एप्टीट्यूड. एग्जाम हैक्स का एक प्लेलिस्ट दिया है, दोस ऑफ यू आर न्यू, चेक आउट दैट. देयर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन द शॉर्टकट मेथड्स. वो शॉर्टकट मेथड यूज किया तो बहुत ही सिंपल होगा. टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल मेथड इज द बेस्ट वे टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. ए मैन सोल्ड a product 200 piece, that means 200 piece of the same product, that is the meaning. So on 20 piece he made a profit of 10%. Sorry, first 50 piece. On 50 piece he made a profit of 10%. So 50 piece का price I am assuming 100 rupee. 50 piece का price 100. Taking example method. ये भी 50 piece है, ये भी 50 piece है, ये भी 50 piece है. तो ये सब 50 pieces है. So 50 piece का price 100 rupee है, तो सारा 50 pieces का प्राइस 100 रुपी अस्यूम कर रहा है. आई एम अस्यूमिंग ऑल 50 पीस प्राइसेस 100 itself. All 50 piece prices 100 itself. So 100 is the investment or the cost price. Cost price 100 है. Now read the question further. First piece पे 10% profit. I told you profit है तो what you need to do? 100% plus profit percent use करना है. तो 100 के साथ 10% means 40 रुपी profit. सॉरी 10 रुपी प्रॉफिट. सो 110 होगा ना सेलिंग प्राइस. ये कॉस्ट प्राइस या इन्वेस्टमेंट, ये सेलिंग प्राइस या रिटर्न. सेकंड प्रोडक्ट पे 20% प्रॉफिट. सो 100 पे 20% प्रॉफिट मींस 20 रुपी, दैट मींस इट विल बिकम 120. थर्ड सेट 50 पीसेस पे 25% प्रॉफिट, दैट मींस 100 प्लस 25 125. फोर्थ सेट 50 पीसेस पे 40% प्रॉफिट, दैट मींस 40 रुपी प्रॉफिट, दैट इज 140. अभी देखिए, लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस कितना है या टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है? 400 है ना. टोटल रिटर्न कितना है? व्हेन यू ऐड इट यू विल गेट 495. 400 इन्वेस्ट किया, 495 रिटर्न मिला. कितना एक्स्ट्रा मिला? 95. व्हाट एक्स्ट्रा? दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉफिट. दैट मींस ऑन दिस 200 pieces of this product, 400 rupee invested, 495 you got back, that means 95 is the profit. We are using taking example method. 95 profit मिला, लेकिन actual profit 19,000 है ना. तो 95 को 19,000 बनाना है. This is a shortcut trick. 95 को 19,000, 95 का डबल है ना 190. तो 95 का डबल है 190. तो डबल इंटू 100, दैट मीन्स 95 का 200 टाइम्स है ओरिजिनल प्रॉफिट. हमारा प्रॉफिट 400 है, आवर प्रॉफिट इज सॉरी हमारा प्रॉफिट 95 है, आवर प्रॉफिट इज 95, बट ओरिजिनल प्रॉफिट इज 19,000. दैट मीन्स इट इज 200 टाइम्स आवर प्रॉफिट. दैट मीन्स our profits 200 times means our cost prices also 200 times will be the answer. Our cost price कितना है? 400. 400 का 200 times कितना है? 400 का 200 times 80,000 होगा ना. So 80,000 is the answer. How many of you understood? ये क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट मेथड से भी कर सकता है, बट दिस इज अ शॉर्टकट वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन. ये इसका शॉर्टकट मेथड है. as I have told many classes, be flexible with methods. Don't learn one method or two methods. 15 methods मैंने टीच किया है, वो 15 methods flexible है, तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत easily कर सकता था. Also, those of you are preparing for tomorrow's test, day after tomorrow's test, have a quick revision of the methods if time allows. Abhishek, we have taken it as an example, because if you start with any example, that will be totally fine. That is what is called taking example method. It's a wonderful method. Many questions which you feel difficult can be made easy by this. Because otherwise what you have to take, let X be the cost price of the first 50 products. Y be next to 50, Z be next to 50, R be next to 50. देन उसका 10% ऐड करके कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा, बहुत टाइम लगेगा. डोंट डू दैट. टेकिंग एग्जांपल इज द की इन दीस काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन. मॉनेटरी प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉफिट लॉस डिस्काउंट पे मेनी क्वेश्चंस कैन बी डन विद टेकिंग एग्जांपल इटसेल्फ. Yeah, all of you, those of you have attended today's exam, if you remember any question, please post it live. Niveda already put thank you. And ओके रोशन, क्वेश्चन याद है रोशन? प्रोबेबिलिटी का क्वेश्चन क्या था? तृप्ति सेंड अ क्वेश्चन, वी विल डिस्कस दैट. तनुश्री सेंड अ क्वेश्चन, वी विल डिस्कस दैट. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. Others also, if you remember any question, please send it so that you can understand whether your answer is correct and others can understand what are the types of question that can be expected for tomorrow and day after tomorrow's exam. X by 4 also possible. X by 4, yeah, that is also fine, Dia, but that will take more time. Direct method will take more time in these questions. Taking example will reduce the time. That is what I focus in my classes also. How to reduce the time of solving. उसके लिए I have devised 15 methods. How flexible you are with these methods, that much better or faster you can finish aptitude, and your subject part के लिए ज़्यादा time भी मिलेगा if you save time on aptitude. Next question, this was in the morning shift. That is physical science and earth science shift में ये question था. Again I am iterating. All these are memory based wordings, that is why some words can be wrong, but the idea will be similar to this. That is what we are saying. Age of mama and father. Okay Sakir, thank you, I will discuss that. Okay Tripti, all the questions you people are posting, we will discuss it. And others, you can check the live chat, there you can find the questions your friends are sending. Shubhangi, which paper, physics or maths, can you specify? There was an analogy problem. Yesterday also expected questions by I showed you an analogy problem. Good to hear that same type question got repeated in this paper also. Try kariye all of you. Again, very similar question we have discussed already in the class. The repetition आया है. Try it, 1 more minute, all of you try it and post the answer in the chat. Okay, I'll explain test of divisibility का idea which we have discussed many times. Sum of digits multiple of 9 है तो number भी multiple of 9 है. That idea is enough. Find the value of x. This x का value चाहिए. If 32x by 6 is divisible by 9. 32x by 6 means ये divisible by 9 होने के लिए 3 plus 2 plus x plus y plus 6 divisible by 9 होना चाहिए. 3 plus 2 plus x plus y plus 6. 3 plus 2 plus x plus y plus 6 should be divisible by 9. 3 plus 2 plus x plus y plus 6. If you simplify it, you will get 5 plus 6. 11 plus x plus y should be divisible by 9. That means divisible by 9 means 11 के above multiples of 9s which all are there. 18, 27, 36, etc. ना? Let us see whether 18 is okay or not. 18 होने के लिए x plus y क्या है? 7 होना चाहिए. बट क्वेश्चन में क्लियरली मेंशन किया है x plus y दोनों इवन डिजिट्स होना चाहिए. x and y are even digits. x and y are even digits means दो इवन डिजिट्स का सम ऑड नंबर नहीं होगा. आई हैव टॉट यू ऑड नंबर इवन नंबर एंड दिस अरिथमेटिक ना. ऑड प्लस ऑड इज इवन, इवन प्लस इवन इज इवन, दैट आइडिया. So x plus y 7 होना चाहिए which is odd. Even plus even can never be odd. मतलब x 18 वाला केस impossible है. x and y even है इसलिए. So next 27 वाला केस. 27 सम है तो 11 plus x plus y 27. So x plus y क्या है? 16. x plus y 16 possible है because even number, even plus even is even. Even plus even is even. So 8 plus 8 is even. 8 plus 8 is 16 possible ना. 10 नहीं हो सकता because x and y are digits. Maybe they have specified even digits. As I told, these are memory based wordings. So slight variations can be there. But idea should be same. So 8 plus 8 16 है ना. 8 plus 8 16 मतलब x 16 y 16. x का value पूछा है, so option D is the answer. Is it clear? All of you? Very easy question ना. This was doable. So that was the next question was this. This question again, those of you attended this test, please confirm the question was exactly like this or was there anything else in the question. And options याद है तो options भी mention करिए. Once again reminding, after CSIR publish the official question paper, we will have a more detailed solution in this channel itself. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get updated whenever we schedule that session. Yes, Manya, we are discussing questions of both the shifts, morning and afternoon shifts. That is, physics and earth science had the same question paper because they had the same time morning itself. Mathematical science in the afternoon. So, दोनों shifts का question paper हम discuss कर रहा है. Try it, all of you. 2 minutes to try. So, if you have exam tomorrow and day after tomorrow, this is your practice opportunity. And I'm giving time to try. Please try. Ultimate practice we can say, because you cannot get any better questions than this before exam to practice. Yeah, I understand that those who have exam on the first day, they don't have this opportunity to see the questions of other subjects. But those of you have exam on second day and third day have that opportunity. So make full use of it. Few questions, at least similar questions you can expect. Not exact same, but similar ideas. What CSIR expects this time from you, you get a better idea from the questions of other subjects. Subject part questions ऐसा similar नहीं होगा, but aptitude paper, aptitude questions, you will get a proper idea from other subjects. Okay, Shubhangi have confirmed. One option was data insufficient. Baki 3 options were 3 answers. Okay, thank you for that confirmation because that gives little more clarity. एक ऑप्शन में डेटा इनसफिशिएंट लिखा था, बाकी 3 ऑप्शन में नंबर लिखा था ये क्वेश्चन के लिए. So what is the answer? Some of you got an answer? This is directly based on the concept that we have explained many times, the Pythagorean triplet idea. Many times in the flashcard revision lecture also I told you, don't only learn Pythagoras theorem, learn Pythagorean triplet also. Pythagorean triplet के बारे में पता है तो कुछ Pythagorean triplet याद है तो ये क्वेश्चन सुपर इजी था. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का एरिया पूछा है ना, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का एरिया हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट है ना, तो ये बेस, ये हाइट और ये हाइपोटेन्यूज है, तो हाइपोटेन्यूज दिया है 17 है, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑल साइड्स आर इंटीजर्स। और एक ऑप्शन में डेटा इनसफिशिएंट था, a person who don't know the theory of this question, there are chances that you get confused about it and answer data insufficient. Data insufficient answer नहीं है, because all sides are integer values। ये काफी है ये क्वेश्चन करने के लिए, क्योंकि 17 इन्वॉल्व करने वाला पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट सेलेक्ट करना है। You need to select the Pythagorean triplet which have 17 in it. The only Pythagorean triplet which have 17 in it is 8, 15, 17. 8, 15, 17. Pythagorean triplet means a triplet which satisfies Pythagoras theorem. That is 8 square plus 15 square 17 square. That's the idea. So 8 square plus 15 square 17 square. So 8, 15, 17 Pythagorean triplet है. So 17 hypotenuse है, तो integers होने के लिए 8, 15 ही available है. 8 and 15 only can be the base and height. I will draw picture once again clearly. ये 8, ये 15, ये 17 ऐसा होना चाहिए ट्रायंगल, बिकॉज ऑल साइड्स आर इंटीजर्स एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज 17। अभी एरिया ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट, बेस 8 है, हाइट 15 है, हाफ 8 इंटू 15 करना काफी है ना, तो 4 इंटू 15 60 is the answer. Many of you got 60, that is a correct answer. If the question is like this, 60 is the correct answer. सबको क्लियर है ये? प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड, ऑल ऑफ यू क्लियर? एंड डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन वाला एक क्वेश्चन भी था, दिस ऑल्सो प्लीज कंफर्म देयर इज, इफ देयर इज एनी चेंज इन द क्वेश्चन। ट्राई करिए ये क्वेश्चन, डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन वाला क्वेश्चन। Mavan, yeah, triplet, if you are not remembering, you have to trial and error with the options, Mavan, but that will take more time, because you have to take the area and see which all ways the base and height can be created. As I am not seeing the options properly, that is why I cannot confirm what other shortcut can be used. When we get the official question paper, I will show you with the options whether we can do anything else, because if the options are so simple, you can do elimination faster. Vishal, कुछ basic Pythagorean triplet you have to by heart actually. Okay, Sumit, thank you for the confirmation. 707, yeah, it was 707 meters. 707 only, na? Those who wrote this exam, please confirm it is 707, na? 707 meters to south. Options 156, 167. Okay, okay, Priyanka, thank you for the confirmation. Options are 156, 167, 1000 something. Try kariye all of you. Once again, I'm reiterating, this session is to help you out for the upcoming exam. So make full use of it. That is what I can say. Okay, so I will explain. A travels 1 kilometer to northeast. I have told many times, direction सिर्फ north, south, east, west नहीं, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest, southwest भी clear होना चाहिए. So A travels 1 kilometer northeast direction. 1 kilometer ऐसा northeast. Then 707 meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, na? Then 707 meter to the south. 707 meter to the south. 707 है ना? Some are saying 705. 707A या 705 है? Again, we will just continue. Calculate the distance between his current location and his house. Okay, let me just check it. Again, I am just seeing these questions for the first time, so I will also analyze with you people. 707 to the south. So current location ये है, house is here. Okay, this theta is 45, we can say, as there is no other mention. Yeah, we have to trigonometrically itself do this, because 707 we are not getting any idea, because currently we don't know whether they are in the same line or not. We don't know. That is why let us consider if they are in same line. We can assume that if they are in same line, what happens, we will assume that. So ये perpendicular है, so 90 degree. So let us see, ये 45 यूज किया तो ये इसका adjacent है और ये एक hypotenuse है. So कौन सा trigonometric ratio gives you adjacent by hypotenuse? Adjacent by hypotenuse will be, yeah, this is, or you can take this 45 also. Let me just check which will be easier, because ये 90 है तो ये 45, ये भी 45 होगा. One second. Divyanshu, how perpendicular? Okay, perpendicular means you are saying by 705, 707 है ना? Yeah, 707 होना चाहिए. Yeah, actually that is all based on the idea that this will be on the same base na. But that question haven't specified, or I don't know whether there was any information saying that his house and the final point is in the same line. If it is given, this question is super easy, because ये 45 होगा, ये 45 होगा. Isosceles triangle का property यूज करना ही काफी है. Not even trigonometry से भी कर सकता है, बट उससे भी इसी आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल का प्रॉपर्टी, क्योंकि दो एंगल्स इक्वल है तो दो साइड्स भी इक्वल होगा. तो ये 707 है तो ये 707 भी होगा. बट फॉर दैट I think either one extra information is given in the question, which may be there, I don't know. Otherwise, we have to derive it. Again, we will assume that there is some mention that it is on the same horizontal line. ऐसा है तो ये 707 होना चाहिए, then 707 should have been the answer. Those who wrote this paper, 707 एक option था. Can you please confirm? Was 707 an option in the 4 options? Then I think what they have meant is same line itself. Going in northeast, so taking angle 45 degree and then using the method. Yes, Divyanshu, that all methods is on the premise that if starting point or finishing point same horizontal line पे है, ऐसा है तो this question is super easy actually. There may be something indicating that in the question. As I told, memory based question है. Original question paper, when we get it, you will get more clarity. Anyway, for the time being, hope all of you understood this. Isosceles triangle का property, that is what is needed here. Very simple है. Trigonometry यूज किया तो भी चलेगा. Sin 45 यूज करिए, you will get that it is equal. Otherwise, but that normally I prefer not trigonometry, I prefer geometry, क्योंकि geometry is faster than trigonometry in these kinds of situation. क्योंकि isosceles triangle में एक property है, दो एंगल्स इक्वल है तो उसका ऑपोजिट साइड्स भी इक्वल होगा. ये दो एंगल्स इक्वल है ना, तो उसका ऑपोजिट साइड्स है ये दोनों, तो ये दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए. ये ऑलरेडी पता है 707 है, तो ये भी 707 है ना. सुपर इजी. So that is the idea. So direction का basic idea काफी था ये question करने के लिए. Picture properly draw करना है. Again, this question I don't know exactly the question was this or something, because students have mentioned 20% loss, 20% profit was there. This was the only information I got. I'm trying to make a structure of the question from that. So please confirm me how this question should be changed to make the correct question. Those of you wrote this test. Let me check in the chat. Someone have mentioned a similar question. Yeah, Tripti have mentioned a man sold 2 items. Okay, that is how the question is now. I then have written this wrong. A man sells, I will write that question as it is. A man sold 2 items at same price. sold at same price. Okay, that is different situation actually. Sold at same price. One item, first item, this I have taught actually. I have showed you in the short. Okay, this I will type the original question and come back to this. That will be better. Okay, ये एक question था. Those of you wrote the exam, do you remember this question? In our groups, students have sent this question like this. Can you please confirm what was the 4 options? Anyone remember? वो options क्या है? If you don't know also, it's fine actually. Expected questions where I told you about perfect squares, unit digit of perfect square, tens digit of perfect square क्या हो सकता है? That idea is enough to finish the question. So if anyone remember the options, please tell. I will just create some 4 sample options for the time sake. For example, selling price. Okay, Subir, I will discuss that question. I will type that question correctly and explain. So यहाँ पे question ये था, which of the following is a perfect square? This was actually a repeated question. इसके पहले भी ऐसा same type question 3 बार पूछा था CSIR एग्जाम में. So perfect square identification का idea है, चारों option 5 पे end कर रहा है, चारों option 5 पे end कर रहा, तो the idea is कौन सा ऑप्शन का टेंस डिजिट 2 है वो ऑप्शन ही सही होगा, क्योंकि एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होने के लिए यूनिट डिजिट 5 है तो टेंस डिजिट शुड कंफर्म बी 2. If a number ends in 5, it should end in 25 only for it to be a perfect square. For example, look at this. 25, 225, 625, 1225, 2025, 3025. This is a Vedic math sutra also. The sutra says ekadikena purvena. That is a sutra to explain how to do squaring faster. k into k plus 1 sorry k5 स्क्वायर करने के लिए k into k plus 1 25 करना है. This is a short trick. That means it always end in 25. Again, that for the time sake skip it. ये फ्लैश कार्ड काफी है ये क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. तो 25 एंडिंग आंसर करेक्ट होना चाहिए. तो 25 एंडिंग आंसर कौन सा है? That you can choose. As we don't know the 4 options, the idea I have given, that is enough. DCAM is asking how much time we should give for part A. Maximum 30 minutes, DCAM. Last class, yesterday we have taken an exam hack video. There I have explained about all the tips and tricks and exam hacks that you need. So go through that. There I have explained about how much time for each question, when you should do part A, and how to allot time for part A. All those things are discussed already. So new students, there is a playlist in this channel called Exam Hacks. There is another playlist in this channel called Flashcards Explained. There is another playlist in this channel called A New Outlook Series. ये सारा series CSIR के लिए dedicated videos है. Go through that for extra learning. And GATE के लिए complete playlist is already there for GATE also. That also you can check. And the students who are attending the session live or recorded, do hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to more people, and share it among your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, status, etc., so that more people be benefited by this session. Try करिए ये question. निकिता, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन का 707 था वो ट्रायंगल वाला क्वेश्चन का, डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन वाला क्वेश्चन. And those of you are writing exam tomorrow and day after tomorrow, if you remember any questions, do share it. We will try to conduct one more paper analysis series after tomorrow's and day after tomorrow's exam also, if possible. DCOM, it is not exact question being repeated, but ideas can be repeated. Definitely ideas will be repeated. Exact question repeated, then students will be like protesting that it is not fair na. But ideas many a times got repeated. Any answers? PSP, we are discussing questions of both set. This was in the physical science set, morning set. Physical science and earth science are the same question paper. वो set का question है. Again, memory based wording है. Slight variations can be there. Any answers? Did you understand the meaning of the question, all of you? Muskan, that is what I am saying. We cannot say which type will get repeated, but all the questions, as much as possible, try to practice before the exam. That is what I will suggest you. Few questions at least will be similar concept being repeated. For example, profit loss discount का एक question देखा है ना, वो profit loss discount का question का different version आने का chances ज़्यादा है for tomorrow's exam also. That is what I can say. Mitsu, that again was not asked much in the last few years, but if they want, they can ask. That is what I can say. This question, all of you understood the meaning of the question? Rajan, flashcards you can buy from our mobile app itself. The ebook of the flashcard is available in Christy's classes mobile application. Description of the video, check it out. There you can find it. Okay, this question I will explain anyway. Okay, this question, the idea is an egg tray has 5 rows and 5 columns. Imagine the egg tray, if you have seen egg tray, or in shops also you can see egg trays. Now, how egg trays are arranged? Egg will be placed and there will be a base for it. Now, if this is the egg, there will be small triangular bases so that it will not fall down. Triangular stands are required to prevent the eggs from falling. How many triangular stands are needed if 5 rows and 5 columns are there? 5 rows or 5 columns. Let us draw it like a table. 5 row, 5 column. Sorry, 6 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the eggs kept. So now, if you look at it, for each egg, you need, like if you are keeping egg here, you need 4 stands to support it. Na? But stands can be shared actually. Stands can be shared. For the next egg, this stand, this stand, this stand, like this. Next egg, these 2 stands are okay. 2 more stands. Here 2 more stands. Here 2 more stands. Here 2 more stands. That means if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, 7 columns of stands are needed, column wise. And 5 rows means 6 rows of stands are needed. 6 rows of stands are needed. Are you able to imagine this? ये question का original question मिला तो थोड़ा और clarity मिलेगा. I am just giving you the idea as per the memory based question that students have sent. So यहाँ पे one extra in the column also, 1 extra in the row also. That is the idea. That is the idea. मतलब यहाँ पे 5 row 6 column है तो 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 will be the number of rows of triangular stands. अभी fundamental principle of counting use किया तो 6 into 7 42 will be the answer. Exactly, Niveda, the logic is perfectly correct. Is it clear, all of you? So So that previous question that I have shown, as I told, there was an error in the question. Now you people have sent it in the chat itself. This is what you have, people have sent. Rimbika and others have sent this. So let us discuss this corrected question. This is the original question, I guess. So try करिए ये question all of you. Very interesting question. इसमें इसका शॉर्टकट ऑलरेडी मैं फ्लैश कार्ड में दिया है. इसका शॉर्टकट 2 products at the same price is enough to convey the meaning. Try करिए ये question. Nikita, because column, if there are 6 columns, 7 columns of 7 columns of this thing is needed. 7 columns of triangular stands are needed. 5 rows है तो 6 rows of triangular stands are needed. So 6 into 7 या 7 into 6 42 मिलेगा. That is the idea. Tanushri, which subject this question came? Can you specify? Morning shift या afternoon shift? That means physics, science or mathematical science. Mitsu, expected question का lecture already दिया है. Go through that, you will get the idea. New students who are watching my session for the first time, check out the other playlist in this channel. Already I have taken a marathon of 50 questions in 2 lectures. Practice rapid fire series था वो. After that, expected question, most expected questions for this exam, uska ek separate 2-hour video hai. All these you can see in the last few days videos itself. Okay, this question, listen very carefully. Iska ek shortcut trick hai, which I have explained in a flashcard itself. So happy to see that many of the flashcard concept got repeated as such. This is the first time they are asking this. But before the question was asked itself, I have given it in the flashcard. If it is, question says that a person sells 2 products at the same price. Matlab selling price same hai. If selling price of 2 articles are same and first product X% profit and second product X% loss पे sell कर रहा तो overall loss होगा always. So option which have loss, that will be the correct answer. Overall loss होगा. Exact loss find करना है तो x square by 100 करना है. मतलब ये क्वेश्चन पे x is 20% gain, y is 20% loss, same itself, x and y are equal. So gain and loss same percentage है तो what you need to do is 20 into 20 divided by 100. 20 into 20 divided by 100. Yeah, 20 square divided by 100. 20 square by 100 means 400 by 100. This is the short trick of doing this. बिना short trick भी कर सकता है. For the time sake, I am explaining one method only. बिना short trick करना है तो taking example method करिए. 100 be the selling price, 100 be the selling price for the both product. Then find the cost prices, add those, add this, and find the difference and find the answer. That is how you can do it. So, okay, this question, please let me know whether there is any correction needed in this question. This was a memory based question students sent. Please check it and tell me if the question is like this itself. Try it and answer the question, all of you. Mitsu playlist name is Exam Hacks. Exam Hacks playlist you can check out. Exam Hacks. Otherwise, go to the live option in the channel. There you can see the recent videos. There you can find the name itself, most expected series, most expected question. Sandhya, this question was in which paper? Can you specify? कौन सा paper में था ये question? All of you try this question. Students have confirmed the question is like this itself. So Priyanka, you are telling about this question. Na? This was in mathematical science. Sandhya, the question that you have typed in chat, na, that question, can you confirm which paper? Morning shift or afternoon shift? Maths only, na? Okay. Okay, so I will explain. This question, in a district, every second teacher teaches physics as well as chemistry. That means second, fourth, sixth, etc., eighth, etc. Multiple of 2. Every third teacher teaches, third chemistry teacher teaches both chemistry as well as physics. So every third chemistry teacher means chemistry 1, chemistry 2, chemistry 3. If I represent chemistry 3, chemistry 6, chemistry 9, etc. teaches physics also. Calculate the ratio between teachers who teaches only physics and chemistry means only physics and only chemistry. Was it mentioned? Can you specify? So यहाँ पे multiple of 3 will be chemistry teachers. Every second teacher. I think the question means every second teacher who teaches physics teaches chemistry and physics, I guess. That is how the question was. Now, can you please confirm? Every second teacher who teaches physics teaches chemistry as well. I think that is the meaning of the question. Okay. Okay. Then that is correct. Otherwise, the question is wrong actually. P1, P2, P3, P4, if I write it down, physics teachers, every second teacher who teaches physics teaches chemistry as well. This is the correct wording. Otherwise, question is wrong. Chemistry as well, and every third teacher teaches chemistry teacher teaches both chemistry as well as physics. Okay, so that means physics 2, physics 4, physics 6, etc. teaches chemistry also. Similarly, chemistry 3, chemistry 6, chemistry 9, etc. teaches physics also. So who teaches only physics chemistry means you take a set of examples which are multiple of 2 and 3. Say 6 numbers. 6 physics teachers को ले लीजिए, 6 chemistry teachers को ले लीजिए. ये example, taking example method में ले रहा है. Taking example method से multiple of 6 पे finish करना है, otherwise you can get a wrong answer. Multiple of 6 पे how many teachers are there who teaches both subject P2, P4, P6? That means remaining 3 teachers teaches physics only. Physics only teachers. Physics only teachers is 3 in the 6. And chemistry only teachers कितना होगा? 2 teachers ही chemistry and physics teach कर रहा है, बाकी 4 teachers chemistry only teach करेगा. Chemistry only. So the ratio of physics only to chemistry only will be 3/4 in my opinion. If the question is like this, 3/4 होना चाहिए answer. All of you, can you please respond? Clear है या नहीं? Is it clear or not? Specify करिए. Again, I'm not live students. Actually, the live students number is changing all the time. Sometimes it is 100, sometimes it is 50, sometimes it is 10, and then suddenly increasing. Is there any technical glitch that you are getting out of the live due to some reason? Can you please confirm? Because sometimes YouTube servers are like that. Sia, was there 3/4 or 4/3? 4/3 answer option में था. Can you please specify? 3/4 या 4/3? या उसका multiples भी काफी है. 3/4 का multiple से 6/8 or something. Again, according to the data, I have mentioned it. क्योंकि इसका basic theory ऐसा है. If I take say physics students, physics as well as chemistry means multiples of 2 होगा ना. 2k या 2m. Physics 2/3 was there na. Okay, then I think there is some misunderstanding which I had or which students have sent it had. Options are somewhat in like 1:3 ratio, na? And can you please confirm the final question was calculate the ratio between teachers who teaches only physics and only chemistry, na? Can you confirm that? Only physics, only chemistry tha ya kuch aur tha? Or was it like only physics and chemistry? ऐसा है तो आंसर चेंज होगा. All those cases answer will be different. Parvati, can you please confirm whether the question was exactly like this? Only physics and only chemistry, or some other ratio was asked? Anyway, this is the concept. The concept I have taught you, I hope it is clear. That is, I'll just repeat that. Physics 1, Physics 2, Physics 3, Physics 4, Physics 5, Physics 6. ये example में ले रहा है. First 6 teachers of physics and first 6 teachers of chemistry also. Chemistry 1, Chemistry 2, Chemistry 3, Chemistry 4, Chemistry 5 and Chemistry 6. Yes, 6 teachers पे according to the data, every second teachers of physics teaches chemistry also. मतलब Physics 2, Physics 4, Physics 6. And every third teacher of chemistry, that is Chemistry 3 and Chemistry 4. Nikita, yeah, but students are asking doubt. That is why I am repeating more. I know that those of you have exam tomorrow. Yeah, we'll go a little faster. 1 second. We'll not stick on to one question only. Let us cover more question. So that means, यहाँ पे देखिए, who teaches only physics means physics 1, physics 3, physics 5. I will write the numbers of all the things. Only physics पूछा तो 3 होगा number out of the 6. Only chemistry pucha to. If the question was asking only chemistry, what is it? Chemistry 1, chemistry 2, chemistry 4, chemistry 5. 4 will be the value. If it is chemistry and physics teaching, total in this 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the chemistry teachers, it will be 2. In the physics teachers, it will be 3. Now, according to what is the question, accordingly you answer it. Let us wait for the original question paper to come. That time I will give you more clarity. Anyway, you're taking example method kafi hai. Yeah, now students have sent this in the chat. So this I have taken from the chat itself. Please confirm the question is exactly like this or not. If there is any change, we will discuss accordingly. Your question try kariye. Okay, Parvati. Okay, China. If time allows, we will come back to that. We'll try to cover as many questions as possible in this session. Those of you saw this question, can you please tell me whether the question was exactly like this or whether there is any change in the question? Same hai na? Okay, we'll discuss it then. Day before yesterday, my age is 15. Today, my age is 16. That means my birthday was either today or yesterday because the age changed na. On birthday, our age changes na. Next year, this is next year only na. Can you please confirm next year ही है ना? Next year my age is 18. Date of my birthday. Date of my birthday. One second. Anyone remember the options? Here the option elimination is the best way to do this question because from the option you can easily eliminate it. Anyone remember the option? क्योंकि ऑप्शन पे चेक करना है before day next day, then it is easy actually. Let us check like December 31 or something. Yes, and the earth science and physical science had the same paper itself. The earth science means it is physical science also was sharing the same question paper. Same time slot at the same question paper hoga. Option, do you remember option, Sandhya? Okay, anyway, we will try it. If anyone remember the options, please mention it. Let us try with something like next year age is 18. This is the key in the question. Next year my age is 18. This question I will come back to. If anyone remember the options, please mention it. We'll go to the next question that you people have sent in the chat now. There was an analogy problem. Curry is to spice is dash is to color. Again, these also with options, it is super easy. I think some people have mentioned the options. Canvas was there now. Okay, Gurshan. Canvas, let us check. Color option are to color. Options are painting canvas. Okay. Curry is to spice. Yes, spice is needed for curry. For spice. Again, this again can be interpreted. Some of the question with options, you can make the answer super fast. Because without option, we will be not getting a clarity which aspect is asked. Painting and option was painting canvas also. Na? Painting was one option. And canvas. I think it should be canvas itself. Brush also was there. Na? Any other option? Fourth option, anyone remember? Brush is to color, curry. Curry is to spice means. Spice means spices, I guess. What they mean is spices. So spices are needed for curry. Similarly, color. What was the fourth option? Anyone remember? Brightness was also there. Brightness was also there. Brightness is to color, curry. No, brightness won't be the answer. Brush is to color also won't be the answer because brush is the tool. Painting is to color or canvas answer, I think. This I will confirm later at the official question paper comes. Painting, I think most probably painting is the answer. Yeah, those of you wrote this exam, what is your answer for this question? Anyway, that was another question. Color is needed in both painting and canvas. No, canvas is not part of that question, Aishani. But canvas was part of the options, no? I think that is what students have mentioned in the chat. Again, don't worry. Let us wait for the official question paper. Then we will get more clarity. Some people wrote painting. Some people wrote canvas, no? Okay. Canvas is to color. Let me check. Yeah, canvas also. That is what I told. Canvas and painting have chances. This we will discuss when the official question paper comes. I will give you clarity. Anyway, analogy was there. That is the most important thing. Analogy in the expected questions also I have shown you the analogy example. So analogy was repeated, not expected in the rapid fire series. The last classes, last to last lecture also we have discussed the analogy example. That day is to, that was a question we discussed. Time is to duration, that question. So Sandhya mentioned one more analogy problem. Botany is to plants. Philosophy is to. Okay, that also we will discuss. This was in the earth science paper now, Sandhya. I will copy that and we will discuss that also. All of you try this. The next question of analogy which was there in the other paper also was botany is to plants, then philosophy is to dash. Regulations, religion, ideas, that are the three options mentioned. If anyone remember the fourth option, mention that also. We will discuss it. Once again, I am telling this is the primary analysis after the exam. so that those of you have exam tomorrow and day after tomorrow get an idea. So more detailed or in-depth analysis we will be doing in some days when the original question paper CSIR publishes, because then only we will also get a clarity whether there is any change in the question, because memory based questions there are chances that there can be some variation. It's good that you people are remembering this much questions at least, because many of you have remembered many number of questions. Very good. So I'm copy pasting this. A minute. This was the next analogy problem. दोनों set में analogy problems था. So there are chances that tomorrow and day after tomorrow at least one more set में analogy problem होने का chances है. So analogy, I have given detailed videos on analogy in our complete course. Please go through that. So this was the next question. Botany is to plants, philosophy is to dash. One option is regulation, one is religion, one is ideas. For what is the fourth option? Anyone remember? Okay, so this question is super easy question. ये question बहुत ही simple है ना, क्योंकि this is study of what? That is enough to finish this question. Okay, I think the screen was not visible. Botany is to plants means botany is the study of plants. Na? Same way philosophy is the study of, among the four options, three options, ideas is the better choice. What is the fourth option? Mention it, then we can see whether fourth option have higher chance. Based on the three options, ideas is the better choice. Ideas is the better choice. Is it clear, all of you? Botany deals with plants, philosophy deals with ideas. Yeah, not exactly study of ideas, but deals with ideas mainly. Main focus is ideas. That's the idea. So clear, all of you? That was an analogy problem. Now one more question people have posted. Minimum number of not required to 4849. Okay, that I will copy paste. Please wait. So try the next question. Alka, can you specify morning shift में था या afternoon shift में था ये question? Minimum number of notes required for rupees 4849 if you have denomination 2, 5, 20, 50, 500. 1 rupee was not there. Now please confirm it. 1 rupee was there or not? 2, 5, 20, 50, 500 only was there. Now. Okay, let us check. Minimum number means first we can start with 500. As many 500s as possible. Afternoon shift. Now. Okay. Mathematical science question paper. Mein. So 500 into 9. 9 into 500, 4500. Na? Let us reach that. Then how many maximum 50s we will arrange now? 50 is the next bigger denomination. 4500 के साथ 48549 के लिए 349 चाहिए. 349 means 300 can be made from 50 itself. 300. 50 into how much? 50 into 6 is 300. 6 into 50, 300. अभी बचा कितना है? 49 is remaining ना? 49 is remaining. So 49 rupee, how you can make? Yeah, there you should be careful. 20 rupee if you create 20 into 2. 2 into 20, 40 होगा. बाकी 9 rupee मिलने के लिए 5 rupee, yeah, simple only. This is straightforward. The number is easy actually. 5 into 1 or 1 into 5, 5 rupee, 40. Now 4 only remaining. 4 means 2 into 2. Let us check whether any loopholes we have missed, because sometimes there will be loopholes that if you use another combination the number will be even smaller. So ऐसा, but I don't think there is any loophole in this question, because if you use other combination the number will increase only. So that is why the total number will be adding all this. 9 plus 6, 15, 15, 17, 18, 20. 20 options. Option में 20 था. Can you please specify? Yeah, Parvati mentioned 20 was also there. So 20 should be the answer. Simple question ना? बहुत ही simple question हो गया ये question. All of you understood this? Kannis is mentioning, thank you so much for your shortcut techniques. Thank you so much, Kannis, for letting me know. Yeah, those of you attended the exam today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, if you are attending, after exam, do let me know whether the sessions of mine helped you. The YouTube session or our full-length courses or whichever sessions helped you, whether it's helped you or not, please let me know. So that will be a big support for me also, because I was also last few days, just like you people were hardworking, I was also hardworking so that students get benefited. Normally morning I have a 5-hour class. After 5-hour class, I was taking evening 2-hour continuous session as marathon series, because there will not be any other option after exam for helping you out. So last week I was devoting time for that. So whether it helped or not, like to hear from all of you in the comment section. Do let me know, and if it helped, do let your friends know so that more people join also. Okay, Sandhya have mentioned one more question. I'll copy that question also. Those of you are in the live chat, check the comments in the live chat. There you can find many questions students have sent. I am picking up questions from there, because before the class started, I got maybe 5 or 6 questions only from students. Complete questions were only 5 or 6. Remaining questions were partial questions only. But now in the chat itself, you can see almost 10 questions extra. That is what I am copy pasting and giving you. For me also, I am seeing this question for the first time. We are discussing it together. So अगला question ये है, try this question all of you, and those of you tried this question in exam, please confirm whether there is any change in the question. This is the next question, seating arrangement wala question. Seating arrangement also yesterday expected questions mein I told you seating arrangement and ranking ordering दोनों का idea है in this question, I guess. Sir, life science का भी question है sir. Yes, Nikita, as I told, dicto same questions nahi, but concept will repeat. Sandhya mentioned, I only watch your videos, it helps me a lot. Thank you so much, Sandhya, for letting me know. Thank you for the good words. Mitsu is saying, very helpful session. You are only one who dedicated aptitude. Thank you so much, Mitsu. Before marathon, very useful, sir. Thank you, Ubenda. Parvati have mentioned one more question. We'll discuss that. Thank you, Niveda, for the good words. Thank you, all of you. So try this. If the question is exactly like this, try this. If there is any change in the question, mention that. Those of you are new, check the description of the video. You can find our free resources in our Telegram channel. Daily we post quiz of the day. Quiz of the day means free questions for you to practice and its solution also. And in our mobile application, you have many free resources, and also you have paid resources also. Our complete course for CSIR-NET Part A, our complete course for GATE General Aptitude. All these you can find in our mobile application and in our website christysclasses.in. So check the description, you can find the details of all these things. All of you try this. Any answers? We'll discuss this then. Okay, A and B are sitting in a round table. If A is sitting on 5th chair, then B is sitting on 9th chair. So if I am starting from here, if I am counting chairs from here, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. A is sitting here, then C6, 7, 8, C9, B is sitting here. If B is sitting on the 9th chair, A is sitting on 3rd chair. Okay, it's ranking, ordering and seating arrangement दोनों का idea mix किया है ये question पे. Very good question. So, if A is sitting on 5th chair, yeah, this round table if you don't use also you will get the same answer. Linear situation analyze करना better होगा. You will try with linear and then think about round table. A 5th chair पे है तो that means if A is 5th, B is on 9th. B is sitting on 12th chair. That means if you think from this direction, you can say Sandhya have mentioned the options. Options for this question, Sandhya, 13, 14, 15, 21. Let us trial and error with option. That will be also easy. If it is 13 chairs, let us see what happens. A is sitting on 5th chair, B is sitting on 9th chair. That means after B, there are only how many chairs? 4 chairs after B. 4 chairs after B. And B is sitting on 12th chair. Okay. Round table itself we have to analyze. Otherwise this question cannot be done actually. Round table ही use करना है because कौन सा starting point है, that is the clue in this question. A 5th chair पे है, मतलब starting point is this, and 5th chair means A I am placing it here. Between starting chair, chair 1 and A, there is 4 chairs in between. B is sitting on 9th chair means between A and B, there are A is on the 5th chair, so 4 chairs between that also. 6, 7, 8, sorry, 3 chairs. 6, 7, 8, 3 chairs. After that, B is there. That means in this case, starting chair is this, chair 1. Let us take the second situation also. If B is sitting on the 12th chair, yeah, from this itself you can extend it. 12th chair means, 9th chair means 8 chairs before. 8 chairs were before. 12th chair means it should be 11 chairs before. That means 3 chairs shifted. This will be the starting point. This will be the starting point. A is sitting on the 3rd chair. That means the counting is done in the different order, I guess. That may be the reason. Where you are starting the counting, that is the idea in the question. Good question. Something I'm missing here. Option say we will try once more. 13 was the first option, na? 13 first option think kiya to 13 chairs. This I will come back to. I am missing something here. This was another question in physics. Again, exact question was this or not, I don't know, but it is a sequential ordering or ranking ordering question. Idea ये था, ये type question earlier भी पूछा था. This got repeated in July 2024 paper. So D is smaller than D. So diagram use करिए, बहुत ही easy होगा. D is taller than D means D is above B. But smaller than F means D is below F. C is taller than B. C is taller than B means C can be anywhere here. This is called variable rank. But, sorry, I think this is, yeah, C, that cannot be C. I think it may be some other letter, maybe A. For the time's sake, we will take A. A is taller than B but smaller than C. So, who is the shortest? Here also options use kariye, bahut hi simple hoga. Options use kariye, who cannot be the shortest? Here, who all can be eliminated? D is taller than someone, so D cannot be the shortest. D is taller than B but smaller than F, so F cannot be shortest. A is taller than B, so A cannot be the shortest. but smaller than C. So C cannot be the shortest. By that logic, we can eliminate it. ये same type question पहले भी पूछा था, नेट एग्जाम में भी, गेट एग्जाम में भी ये क्वेश्चन सिमिलर पूछा था. एक्सैक्ट क्वेश्चन पता होने के लिए बाद एक्सैक्ट आंसर मिल सकता है, बट इफ दिस इज द ऑप्शंस ए सी एफ डी बी में बी होगा आंसर. If there was one more person, accordingly you have to do. This is the idea anyway. I hope all of you understood the idea. Now, any other questions? Yeah, some of you have sent a question of age now. A boy is born when his mother was. I will copy paste it so that it is easy for everyone to follow. Just a minute. Thank you, Shane. Thank you for the good words. Gurshan, I will take that question also. Ranking ordering ka question bhi pucha tha, na? Very good. Many of the questions we discussed, exact same type got repeated. Some of the question, like extension of what we discussed also was asked. There is no new topics from which questions were asked. All the topics we have discussed only questions have came. That is a good thing anyway. So try this question, all of you. Each problem was asked. Just a minute. Options yaad hai to please mention it. Those of you want to get all updates from us, be part of our Telegram channel, WhatsApp group and mobile application. Check the description or search the keyword Christy's classes. That is a common name for all these resources. Our YouTube channel, Telegram channel, WhatsApp group and mobile application, and our website also. Christy's classes is the name by which you can find it. Okay, I will explain this. Okay, all of you try. Wait for 30 seconds more. By that time I will copy paste the next question you people have posted. Yeah, those of you wrote the exam, once again asking how was the exam, how well you did it. Some of you joined in between also. So how was the exam? Aptitude paper, as per the questions you send me till now, it was not very simple, it was not very difficult also. Kuch question simple tha, like the analogy problem simple tha, and some number problem we've discussed, that was simple. Some questions was time consuming also. Full question paper देखने के बाद ही I can say exact opinion, but easy questions, as always, easy questions are also there, difficult questions are also there. It's all about how you choose it wisely. Okay, a question I will discuss. A boy was born when his mother was 28 years old. This kind of question we already discussed in the class. You can draw a table to understand it better. Boy, it's who's his mom and his father. This is given. And a boy was born when his mother was 28 years old. That means when boy is 0 years old, mother was 28 years old. When born means 0 years old. Na? His father is 4 years older to his mother. That means mom 28 years means father is 32 years old. What is the current age of the son? If the ratio of ages of father and mother is 9/8. Currently, 9/8 is the ratio, means 9x by 8x is the ratio. 9x by 8x. So 28 is to 32 was the ratio earlier, or 32 by 28 was the ratio. 38 by 28, 32 by 28 क्या है? Cancel किया तो you will get 8/7. 8/7 9/8 हो गया. 8/7 9/8 हो गया. This also the easiest way is put options into this. It will be very easy. Put options into this, very easy hoga. So 8/7 becomes 9/8. That means you can take, if you are asked options, anyone remember options? 2, 3, 4, 5 is the option for this now. Yeah, I think option for this itself. So we can try with that. 2, 3, 4, 5. If 2 is the current age means after 2 years. After 2 years, what happens to mom's age? 30 and this is 34. Both their age will be added by 2 now. Is it 9/8 ratio? No. So first option eliminated. Then 3, 31, 35. Not 9/8 ratio. Eliminated. 4, 32, 36. 36/32 exactly 9/8 ratio hai na? So third option 4 is the answer. Super easy if you use elimination technique. Super easy. Otherwise you have to do, let x be the year that you need, or another constant, let n be the year that you need to add. That way also you can do. Is it clear? Rajan, yeah, 4-year-old is correct. 4 years, not 4-year-old, 4 years later. That is the answer. So your question simple tha in my opinion. This was another question to now those some of you have sent in the chat. Please clarify whether the question is exactly like this or whether there was anything extra in this. Kanis is mentioning, all thanks to you, sir. I was able to answer question using many methods you taught. Thank you so much, Kanis. Good to know. Happy to help all of you. Nikita, which question? Previous question? Previous question I told you, tabulate the data, put options, then you can easily solve the question. Again, I am taking questions of 20 plus 20 from 40 questions of morning and afternoon. We are discussing this. I am also exhausted. We'll go faster now. More detailed explanations of this we will have in 1 week when the question paper is out or CSIR publishes the question paper. Uske baad, last 4 years ka detailed analysis is already in this channel. Like this year's detailed analysis also will be providing in this channel. If you want topic by topic complete course, join our complete course. Now it is available at 499 rupees also, the recorded version. The live version will be starting end of August. New live course for CSIR-NET. That also you can join. So stay tuned. Subscribe our resources so that you will get updates of our upcoming paid courses also, upcoming free initiatives also. Last question, some of you are asking doubt. I will repeat once more. Last question, very fast I will repeat for those people who have doubt. So tabulate करिए boy का age, mom का age, father का age. BMF, 3 people, boy, mom and father. When boy was born, boy was 0 years old. Na? So when boy was born, his mother was 28 years old. So 28. Father is 4 years older than mother, means 28 plus 4, 32. This is the situation when the boy was born. Now what is the current age of the son? Current age of the son 0 से कितना years हो गया? That is the age of the son. Na? When the boy was born, he was 0 years old. Now he is how many years old? Options are 2, 3, 4. Each option substitute करिए. Option 3, 4 substitute किया तो 4 is the current age. 4 is the current age means 0 से 4 बनाने के लिए 4 years का gap है ना. वो 4 years में मदर का एज भी 4 ऐड हो जाएगा, फादर का एज भी 4 ऐड हो जाएगा. That is 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 4, 36. Question is saying that ratio of ages of father and mother current now is 9/8. That is 36/32 होगा ना, father by mother age ratio. 36/32 simplify करिए, 9/8 exactly मिलेगा. So elimination method से easily कर सकता है. That is one challenge we have. As we are not seeing full question paper, some of the question whether we don't know whether elimination will work or not. Answer is 4 years. Yes, Nikunj. Okay, clear now. So try this. Is this question exactly like this? Okay, I think we'll complete the remaining questions tomorrow. Most of the questions that I received from students I have discussed. If any more questions, comment in this video. We will discuss that in the tomorrow's paper analysis also. And tomorrow also, those of you write to tomorrow's exam, please remember the questions, or don't take an effort to remember. The questions that you remember, bring it. We will discuss it in the evening session. Happy to see that more and more people are joining this session. That is why we will plan for a session tomorrow also. Tomorrow 9 PM itself. There is some confusion in this question. P is taller than 10 members. Priyanka, was it mentioned 10 in the question? In this question 10 was mentioned, or that is what we want to find? Filling the blank was what we need to find, or 10 was mentioned in the question? Can you specify? Was it like 10 and 13 in the question, or what? That is what we needed to find. Anyway, this was also a question. Those of you are preparing for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, this sequential ordering chapter से भी question आया है. Okay, that was mentioned, na? Okay, then there is some changes in the question. This you can try with this number mentioned in the blank. Okay, I'm completing today's session here. Remaining questions we'll take tomorrow in the paper analysis. These questions are not complete. That is why I'm not discussing. Just partial. I don't know what extra data will complete the question. So the questions that you have mentioned, we have discussed all of them. And many of the question was directly from the flashcards we discussed. Most expected question lecture series, rapid fire lecture series. All these questions, many of the questions got repeated. Many similar questions were asked. Even this also I have told this taking example approach in many of the previous sessions. So new students, be flexible with this shortcut method. Check out my previous lectures on that. And if you want full length training from me, I want to clarify this also for those people who want to know about the full courses we offer. We offer complete courses for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. Currently 1 month subscription also we have offered. It is almost at free price, because the study material we are offering itself is worth 500 rupee plus 80 hours of classes. 80 hours of classes and 500 rupee worth study material. You can get it at 499 itself. This is 1 month subscription. 3 months, 6 month, 1 year subscriptions are available at higher price. 749 for 3 months. I think 999 for 6 months and 1499 for the 1 year subscription. इसमें complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions सारा include होगा. Now after this exam we will update this year's question papers also to it. It's the most updated course available anywhere, because I am actually following CSIR-NET Aptitude for the last 12 years, because I am writing book on this. The latest 7th edition of my book is also available. So for the purpose of book I have to do more research. That is why my course is also designed in a more curated manner, so that everyone can learn general aptitude in minimum time and score maximum. So this you can check out, or if you want to learn free from my channel, the playlist in this channel itself will help you out. CSIR-NET का, GATE का, UPSC का, स्पीड मैथ्स का डिफरेंट प्लेलिस्ट अवेलेबल है. CSIR-NET का रीसेंट प्लेलिस्ट, एग्जाम हैक वाला प्लेलिस्ट चेक करिए. Isaac, good to know. Happy to see that you are attending the session. So and the book printed material chahiye to download, visit Amazon and Flipkart website. You can get this printed book. Or free resources, check out the description of this video. Flashcard chahiye to mobile application mein. These are the common doubts students are commenting. That is why I am clarifying all these. To get flashcards, mobile application. To get free resource, check the description of this video. And paid courses all are available in the mobile app itself. Christy's Classes mobile app, flashcard ebook also, Christy's Classes mobile app. And special announcement, August 1st say, that is next week, in 4-5 days we are starting the GATE complete course. 100 hours of classes will be there, live and recorded. 8-month course होगा. 8-month course होगा. First 4 month में live classes होगा. Last 4 month में test series, mock test etc. होगा. Complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions. Okay, before that, all the best for all of you who have exam tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Thus, if you have exam day after tomorrow, tomorrow can leave the session, because you have limited time now. You can, if you want to know more about this course, revisit this video, see the last 5 minutes of this video where I have explained about this course. Others who want to know more about this course, you can wait for the next 5 minutes. In this session, in this 5 minutes, we'll be completing. Thus, if you attended this session, if the session was useful, do hit the like button, do comment on this video, do share it among your WhatsApp groups. And tomorrow's session also, do share it among the WhatsApp groups. If more people are supporting free initiatives will happen more. Not only in my case, any educator will be encouraged to conduct more free sessions if more students are following him or her. So support any free initiative which you think that is supporting students. So not only my class, any other educator is trying to make an impact by giving you quality content through free classes itself. Try to support him or her as much as possible. Because YouTube algorithm is also like that. If you have more engagement on the video, YouTube itself will recommend it to more people. That is why educators also tells you to like the video, comment the video, share the video. Because that is how you can make a video reach to more and more people. I also want these sessions or these videos to reach to more and more people. So support me for that, so that I can also support you as much as possible in the upcoming days, upcoming weeks and upcoming months for your upcoming exams. Whether it is NET exam, whether it is GATE exam, whether it is UPSC exam, whether it is speed maths, I will try my maximum to support you with this channel in the future sessions also. So do let others know about such a channel exists. This channel is not part of any edtech platform or any corporate platform. That is why I also strive for this channel to become more popular or reach to more and more people. So help me for that. That is a gentle request to all of you. So Ravi, please check the previous videos. You will get clarity. Don't worry. Please check the previous videos. Now we are explaining about the courses that we offer. All classes over. We are only explaining about the courses that we offer. Go through the previous videos. You will get clarity. New students, please check out the previous playlist. To be precise, exam hack playlist, flashcard explain playlist, and a new Outlook playlist. These three playlists you can see, and complete course, CSIR-NET complete course, this playlist also you can refer. For the tomorrow's exam, that playlist will be so lengthy, but for those people who are preparing for any other exams or December exam, definitely check out these detailed playlists. Otherwise, if you want live course from me, you can be part of our complete course. As I told, GATE का complete course में सारा include होगा. 15 marks GATE General Aptitude का है 100 marks में. वो 100 hours में हम cover कर रहा है ये 15 marks. So that by spending 100 hours, you will be confident to get that 15 marks. तो इसमें verbal और non-verbal दोनों का classes होगा. 48 non-verbal lectures, 10 verbal aptitude का lectures, 2 shortcut tricks exam hack का lectures, 6 doubt clearing sessions, सब इंक्लूड होगा. कोर्स लैपटॉप और मोबाइल दोनों में एक्सेस कर सकता है. हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेज मिक्स होगा. क्लासेस ऑल्सो. यह कोर्स प्योर साइंस के लिए भी यूजफुल है. एंड इफ एनी ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम्स ऑल्सो, GATE जनरल एप्टीट्यूड इज कॉमन फॉर ऑल. So pure science or engineering, any stream, you can attend this course. Your friends who are preparing for GATE general aptitude, any subject can be asked, you can let them know about this course. And course का structure 60 live lectures, 6 doubt clearing session. Recordings GATE exam तक valid होगा. Recordings you can watch any number of times also. Complete theory, previous year questions, practice क्वेश्चन सब इंक्लूड होगा. और लाइव इंटरैक्शन के लिए हर सेशन के बाद Q&A सेशंस होगा. 6 डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन और डेडिकेटेड टेलीग्राम चैनल एंड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप होगा, सो दैट यू कैन पोस्ट योर डाउट्स सो दैट इट विल गेट रेक्टिफाइड एज सून एज पॉसिबल. प्री स्टडी मटेरियल में टेस्ट सीरीज है, पीडीएफ है, प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट्स है, फ्लैश कार्ड्स है. यू डोंट हैव टू सेपरेटली बाय फ्लैश कार्ड्स इफ यू आर जॉइनिंग दिस कोर्स. फ्लैश कार्ड्स आर ऑलरेडी पार्ट ऑफ दिस कोर्स. कोर्स का लाइव क्लास का टाइमिंग 8 PM to 9:30 PM है. इफ यू कैन नॉट अटेंड लाइव क्लास, रिकॉर्डिंग कैन बी वॉच्ड एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स थ्रू आउट द सब्सक्रिप्शन पीरियड. हर मंथ में 15 क्लास, 4 मंथ में लाइव क्लासेस फिनिश होगा. उसके बाद as I told, test and other things will be there for supporting you till your GATE exam. ये है complete structure of the course, complete schedule of the course. 66 lectures, 60 lectures and 6 doubt clearing session covering the entire syllabus of GATE General Aptitude. To join the course, check the description. You can find the direct link or download our mobile application. Visit the store section where you can join the course. Both ways you can join the course. Or christyvarghese.in and christysclasses.in, that are the two websites of ours. christysclasses.in, that is where you can find the classes, or that is where you can attend the classes in laptop, you can download, sorry, you can visit this website and directly attend. So that is the information. I think we can complete today's session here. So once again, reminding those of you now CSIR exam, those of you who say CSIR exam is over, now you are planning for preparing for GATE. You all are welcome to join this course. Now it is available at special price. Check the description of the video for more details, and you can contact this number for more information also. So, okay, Sigma, that we will discuss in tomorrow's class. So that's it. Harpreet, I will try to keep the session 8 o'clock if possible, because I have a tight schedule tomorrow also in the morning and afternoon. Uske baad, let me see if possible, we'll try to keep it 8 o'clock. Otherwise, 9 o'clock, we'll update you. Hit the bell icon so that you will get updated whenever the session starts. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all on the next class. Have a good night. All the best for those people who have exam tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and all the best for those people who had exam already today. All the best for your results also. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good night. See you all on the next paper analysis session.